check out this lineup at Farnborough Beach. Check it out. Absolutely amazing. 79s, 75s, and the boys. We've pretty much blocked the beach. Try and get around the back because the sun's coming in there. Check them out. We've literally almost blocked the beach off. What a lineup. Right. Legendary. Boys and their toys, what can I say? Eh? Hurricane, looking the goddamn business. Got our bazooka water tanks on the boat there. And we have the latest edition, Wacko Industries. Sun visor with the steely lights in there. Hello. Yep. I think I've lost Rod for the afternoon. Legendary. What better way to spend your Saturday afternoon at Farnborough Beach. Peace everybody. Ciao, bye.